I'm Jyotsna. I'm studying BBS in Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. So today I'm going to demonstrate on the topic Six Sigma. So what basically is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a business methodology which aims to find defects within an organization and aims to improve it through removing the defects within an organization so that the company's goodwill will be improved. So first of all, what is defect management? In this, I would like to take an example of a company. For example, there's a worker sitting on a table and he is making a electrical circuit. So what happens when he is making the electrical circuit? He needs to take some equipments or tools from by moving here and there, like moving to another department or somewhere else. So his time is consumed in that motion. So the company what can the company do is it can place a toolbox near his desk so that he should not go from his desk to take the equipment. So in that case, the motion will be reduced and the process will be defect free. So there are two methodologies for Six Sigma, which are basically DMAC, where D stands for define, M stands for measure, A stands for analyze, I stands for improve, and C stands for control. So these are the various components of a DMAC methodology, wherein we firstly need to identify the defect within the business process. Then we need to measure the intensity. Then finally we need to analyze the defect, like how the defect is, and then we need to improve and then control. So this is the first methodology. Then second one is DMA-DV, in which DMA is same as define, measure and analyze, whereas D stands for design and V stands for verify. So these are the two components which are added to the previous step. So this model is used to create new products. So firstly we need to define the defect, then measure it, then analyze it, then design a product or service in order to meet the company's requirements. Then we need to finally verify it, like whether the product is in use to the company or it is compatible or not. Thank you.